Prone to break out right before a period? Well, turns out Mother Nature is not solely responsible. In fact, what you eat also plays a significant role in flaring up your acne. So, in this video, you will see what you need to have for a hormonal acne diet for treating your acne. Wondering how hormonal acne and diet are relatable? Okay, let's figure it out. Basically, when your estrogen and proestrogen level drops and your testosterone level remains the same, that's when you get hormonal acne. This happens when you eat particular aggravating food or you are approaching your menstruation. Now, some of you may wonder that although you are eating healthy, why it isn't benefiting your acne. That's because you need to know that even though some specific foods have a substantial positive effect, there are foods with a negative impact. And in this video, we will be talking about both types of food. To start, there are some foods that keep away your hormones from dropping and help with your acne. It's best to incorporate them somehow into every meal. It is known that healthy fats are best for your skin, brain, and hormones. You can get your healthy dose of fats from wild-caught salmon, grass-fed butter, avocados, or pasteurized eggs. You can throw some coconut oil in your sugar-free matcha drink or saute your broccoli with olive oil. This dose of healthy fats will help you maintain healthy and hydrated skin. Trying to find something to prevent your pimples and balance your estrogen levels? Incorporating a plant-based diet that consists of leafy green vegetables like kale, arugula, and broccoli does the trick, as these veggies boost exceptional sulfur-contained compounds that are essential to your diet at any point of the cycle. In addition, they help detox your skin from any gunk that may be causing clogged pores. Probiotics are known the best for their assistance in helping to eliminate the body's toxins, which are excess hormone waste, as your skin is the largest eliminator of toxins. Incorporating probiotics into your digestion will help the toxins break down in the liver before they overwhelm your skin. The best part is that adding probiotics to your diet is easy, like having sauerkraut, kimchi, or kombucha as your side dishes. Now, suppose you don't like fermented veggies. In that case, there are plenty of over-the-counter probiotic supplements that you can incorporate into your routine, like the Garden of Life doctor-formulated probiotics for women. This probiotic supplement contains 50 billion colony-forming units with 16 diverse, specially selected probiotic strains. And these strains help in boosting your immune, digestive, and vaginal health, helping you with your hormonal acne. Herbs like ashwagandha, rhodiola, and holy basil are good adaptogen hormones. These herbs promote your hormonal balance and help in decreasing excess stress. You can also add maca or lucuma as healthy additions to your diet. Omega-3s are vital for proper cell function, especially for hormones. So it's best for you to load up on rich sources of natural omega-3s like wild-caught fish, flaxseed, chia seeds, and grass-fed animal products. You can also incorporate oils high in omega-6 like safflower, sunflower, and corn. For balancing your hormones, you need to have food rich in vitamin B like sweet potatoes, yam, or dark leafy greens. In addition, your ovulation period is an excellent time for loading up vitamin B and zinc. Even though some foods are good for the body, they can still mess up your hormones. Let's check them. Cow's milk can lead you to increased breakouts because dairy is a common culprit of food sensitivity. Now, even if you don't have dairy directly, you may have some kind of dairy product in alternative ways. So make sure to check the ingredients before having anything. High glycemic foods or foods rich in carbohydrates directly increase blood sugar levels. As a result, they directly trigger events that stimulate acne production. Foods like pasta, white bread, and sugar-loaded drinks are high GI foods. So try swapping these foods with healthy alternatives like quinoa, barley, and flavored water. Don't be surprised about finding fast foods on the acne triggering list. These foods are saturated with unhealthy oils and dairy-based processed foods that contribute to acne. So replacing fast foods with homemade meals will help your body both inside and out. To sum it all up, treating hormonal acne can be a long and frustrating process, and there are things you can tweak in your diet to help you. Try having foods with low glycemic index and eating as much as homemade meals as possible. You can also use supplements for any vitamins you think you are missing. Finally, when nothing works, visit a dermatologist to have a more helpful treatment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your friends if you find our videos helpful. Be sure to subscribe and press that notification bell for more updates in the future.